So students, now let us start with our exercise 3.2, where some of the remaining questions we will discuss, and then we will conclude with this exercise 3.2. Here in this, the question number 5, it says that the area of the square, which they had given, equals to 7,225 centimeter square. And we know that the area of the square is equals to how much? The side whole square. Now we can equate both of them. So on equating both of them, since both of them are representing for the same area, so on equating, we can find this relation. And as I said to you, the square and square root are just inverse or reciprocal of each other. So the side will be equal to how much? The square root of this 7,225. Now we need to calculate the square root of this number. As in the questions they have said it that you use the concept of prime factorization method. And in prime factorization method, since it's the last digit is coming out to be 5, so I can start dividing it by the number 5. Again, it will be divisible by 5, then the numbers, the 2/17s will be coming. So we can say that the side of the square equals to what? We'll take the one number from each pair. That means we have got the number 5, we are getting 2 times. You can see from here, the 5 we are getting 2 times. And similarly 17 we are getting 2 times. So out of that one pair of number is been selected, and similarly one pair of 17 is been also been selected, and which gives us the results equals to 85 centimeter. So that is means the side of the square will be equals to how much? 85 centimeter. Now we'll come to the question number 6, where we need to calculate the area of the square. It's been given to us area of the square of the tin plate, which is 7,056, and again, as I say, know that the area of the square of tin plate will be equals to side square. Now we can equate both of them, and the side will be equals to the square root of 7,056. Now in this case, they have not mentioned to find the square root by whichever method. So if they have not mentioned it, that's your choice, that whether you do it by prime factorization method or you do it by this long division method, which I've done it. In the long division method, as I explained it to you, the pairing has to be done first of all. So when you are doing the pairing part, the unit digit has been selected. From the unit digit, we are supposed to start pairing. That means we are moving toward which side? Toward the left hand side, we will start pairing. So 56 is the first pair which we are getting from the left hand side, and 70 is the second. But when we start our division process, my first pair will be taken to be the first group which we are supposed to take. It will be of 70. 70 is my first group, and for the selection of the number 70, first of all we will take the square table. And in the case of the square table, the number 8 will be coming, because 8 into 8 gives us the result 64. So I have written that is number 8, as you can see here. The number 8 I have written. Here also I have written the number 8 in my quotient part. And on subtracting, I am getting the number 6. Now this number 56 is being annexed. Annex means we are placing just behind that one, the number 6, whatever the remainder we are getting. So my next number, that is, it's coming out to be 656. Now we have to double this number, the 8 plus 8, which comes out to be equals to what? 16. And I have circled it with a dotted circle. I prepared it. Here I have to select a digit starting from 0 to 9. So if you select whatever the digit, the same digit we are supposed to multiply. If you are taking the digit 3, so the number will be 163. You have to multiply by 3. If you take the digit 4, so it comes out to be 164, and we have to multiply by the number 4. So on multiplying, I can find out that the number comes out to be same. It's a random choice method, and somewhere you will be definitely getting the answer. And my results comes out to be equals to the side of the plate, which comes out to be equals to 84 centimeter. Now area of the square frame, again they had given 2,601, and we know that the area of the square frame is equals to side square. I have equated both of them, and we need to calculate the square root. Again I have done the pairing here. Pairing started from the unit digit, but my first period comes out to be equals to 26, and for the first period always I have to select for a square table. On selecting a square table, I find that the number 5 square, which comes out to be equals to 25. So here 5 I have written it, and then I have added another 5, which comes out to be 10, and here I circled it. Here you have to select a digit starting from 0 to 9, and whatever digit you are selecting, the same number we need to multiply. So on taking the digit 1 here, so 101 into 1 comes out to be 101, and my remainder comes out to be equals to 0. So I can say that the side of my square comes out to be equals to, or the square frame equals to 51 centimeter. And in this question they have said to calculate the perimeter. And perimeter used to be the formula having 4 into side. And 4 into side, which gives us 4 into 51, which is equals to 204 centimeter. Do complete this one in your classwork copy, and if you have any problem, do comment me in your comment box.